Did you know that children absorb information 5 times faster when they're engaged in play? That's because play sparks curiosity, boosts creativity, and helps them retain lessons longer. And guess what? Islamic moments can be just as playful. From singing Quranic rhymes to acting out stories of the prophets, kids can learn about their faith in fun, joyful ways that leave a lasting impact. Welcome to our video, where learning about Islam meets the joy of play. Incorporating Islamic teachings into fun, engaging activities helps children connect deeply with their faith while enjoying every moment. Whether it's through catchy nasheeds, interactive stories, or creative games, these experiences make learning feel natural and exciting. Join us as we explore how Islamic values can be shared in joyful, meaningful ways, because growing in faith should be a journey filled with smiles, laughter, and togetherness. Many parents today face a common challenge: finding engaging and meaningful ways to teach Islamic values to their children. With so many distractions and limited resources tailored for young minds, it can be tough to make faith-based learning both fun and impactful. Parents often wonder how to hold their child's interest while nurturing a strong Islamic identity. The good news is it's absolutely possible. By blending creativity, play, and everyday moments with Islamic teachings, we can make learning about faith something children look forward to with joy and excitement. Storytelling time. Bring the lives of the prophets and Islamic heroes to life through animated storytelling. Use expressive voices, props, or even puppets to make the stories memorable and meaningful. Islamic art projects. Let kids create their own prayer mats with fabric paint, design bookmarks with Quranic verses, or craft crescent moons and stars to celebrate Islamic occasions. It's a hands-on way to connect with Islamic symbols and values. Hadith matching game. Write simple hadiths on one set of cards and their meanings or actions on another. Kids can match them up while learning good manners and daily sunnahs. Quranic word hunt. Choose a few easy Arabic words from the Quran and turn them into a scavenger hunt around the house. Each clue can include a small lesson or explanation about the word's meaning. Islamic role play. Act out everyday scenarios like giving charity, greeting elders with salam, or helping a neighbor. It helps kids understand how Islamic values apply in real life. Dua journal together. Create a family dua journal where each member writes down things they are thankful for or dua they want to make. It encourages gratitude and mindful reflection. These fun activities not only bring the family closer but also plant seeds of faith in a joyful, lasting way. One particularly engaging activity that has been a favorite in my experience is the Prophet Stories puppet show. It's simple to set up and incredibly effective for both fun and learning. We used handmade puppets crafted from socks, paper bags, or felt and acted out short stories from the lives of prophets like Ibrahim, A.S., Musa, A.S., and Yunus, A.S. The kids took turns being narrators or puppeteers, and we even created little backdrops using cardboard and markers. What made it so impactful was how naturally the lessons flowed. As they performed, the children picked up values like patience, trust in Allah, and kindness, all while laughing, creating, and collaborating. It turned storytelling into an immersive experience. And weeks later, they were still quoting parts of the stories and remembering the morals. We'd love to hear from you. Share your own fun Islamic moments or creative activities you've done with your children in the comments below. Your ideas might inspire another family. And if you're looking for more tips on making faith-filled parenting joyful and engaging, don't forget to check out our other videos. Together, let's make learning about Islam a beautiful journey for our little ones.